Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the phone is unlocked and has enough power to change system options. Once ready, open Settings now. Don't browse other apps. In Settings, type Battery or tap Battery and Device Care because the Protect Battery option lives under Battery Controls. You're starting the change immediately to prevent overnight charging limits. This ensures the device allows full charging rather than capping at 85%. Keep your finger on the screen. Once in battery settings, scroll and look for more battery settings or a three-dot menu. Samsung groups advanced toggles there. You'll see Protect Battery with a short description that it limits charging to roughly 85% to extend battery lifespan. Tap the toggle to switch it off. You're telling the system to allow a full charge. If you don't see it, use the Settings search box and type Protect Battery because some models place it in different submenus. Now toggle Protect Battery off and make sure the label reads off. That's the confirmation you want. Once done, plug in a charger and watch the charge indicator go beyond 85% to verify the change. If the setting reverts or the toggle is grayed out, restart the phone and repeat the step because a reboot often clears temporary restrictions. If issues persist, check for a device-wide policy or Samsung account setting that may enforce battery protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.